Hello, how's everybody doing? So I had I've been struggling with our shampoo for a little while, and quite frankly, the issue, I think I've got two things going on. One is I tend to be an oily person, like super oily. My scalp is always oily, my face is oily, my hands are always kind of like moist. So that's one thing. The second thing is, don't mind my disgusting bathroom. The other thing is, I don't like to wash my hair too often because I know that does strip our hair of all the natural goodness in there. So when I transitioned from normal conventional shampoo and switched out to Young Living, I tried the lavender shampoo. I tried the Copaiba vanilla shampoo. I tried the lavender peppermint shampoo, and they all work. They're all great. And I think a lot of people have heard, and if you haven't heard, I'll tell you again, there's like a hack where you can dilute the shampoo. A lot of Young Living products are super, super concentrated, very concentrated, heavily. So what I do is I keep an old shampoo bottle, and when I get my new shampoo, I put half in one, keep half in the other, and then I dilute it with water all the way up to almost the top. A little bit of space to shake, right? Hi Chris, how are you? And I shake it up really, really good, and then it incorporates, the water kind of incorporates everything together, and then voila, you've got two shampoos instead of one. But that's not the whole story. What I want to tell you today is something I just discovered. Now, I am 46 years old, well, 46 and a half almost, and like, I guess perimenopausal, premenopausal, whatever, there's female things happening that, you know, things are stopping and starting and being crazy. Anyway, but what is happening to me is that everything is even oilier than it used to be. I thought all this would dry up. No, it's getting worse. So I'll wash my hair, and if I sleep on it one sleep, I'm like an oil slick. It's disgusting. But I don't want to keep washing it. So what happens is I wind up putting it up in a bun and leaving it in a bun for like 3 or 4 days until I wash it again. So I found a solution, and it is so easy and amazing, and you guys are going to be so excited. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to share this. I know this is backwards. This is real salt. This is Ancient Fine Sea Salt, pink Himalayan sea salt. That's it. So what I've discovered, I learned it on YouTube, and what I've discovered is that you take a tablespoon of salt, of this good pink mineral dense salt, and add it to your bottle of shampoo that you've diluted, okay? So what I do is I pour half the shampoo in one bottle, so you've got half and half, and then I put a tablespoon of this amazing salt into each of these, and then I fill back up with the water, incorporate it really, really good, and it depending on how severe your oiliness is, it could take you like up to 4 shampoos. So I'm on my 3rd, and I have to tell you that even after like first blow drying my hair and like just running my hands through it, my hair would start to feel weighed down and oily and heavy already. My hair is awesome. I have to tell you, I go to sleep, I wake up, and I can still wear my blowout like a 20-year-old. I'm so excited. Add salt to your shampoo. I am telling you, it is going to change your life. It's amazing. If you're having any oily issues at all, do not think it's the Young Living shampoo. You just need a little salt. And what it does is it balances the sebaceous, oily glands and whatever. I don't know all the details. You know, the sebaceous oil, I don't know, stuff in your scalp. But I guess it like normalizes it, or it equalizes it, or it I don't know what it does. But let me tell you, it's amazing. Totally, totally amazing. And my scalp is like a normal scalp right now. I was having like really bad dandruff, gone. It is a lifesaver. Salt dilute your shampoo, and you are good to go. It is fabulous, and you know you're using good, amazing products that are safe and healthy, not having to deal with any greenwashing, and it's all natural.